Let me ask you something. What if your breakfast could literally change your life? Like, not just fill you up, but boost your brain, fuel your body, and maybe even help you live longer? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 insanely powerful breakfast foods that the world's healthiest people swear by. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at breakfast the same way again. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Oatmeal, the silent superhero of mornings. You ever eat something and just feel clean, energized, like your body's low-key saying thank you? That's what oatmeal does. It's not just comfort food, it's brain fuel, heart armor, and gut support all in one warm, creamy bowl. But here's what they don't tell you. Oatmeal contains something called beta-glucan. It's a fancy type of fiber that basically scrubs cholesterol out of your arteries like a cleaning crew. No joke. It keeps your blood sugar stable, so no more mid-morning crashes, keeps you full, and hey, it even helps with weight loss. Pro tip? Try overnight oats. Toss oats, milk, some berries, nuts, maybe a dash of cinnamon in a jar. Let it sit overnight. Boom, breakfast perfection waiting for you in the fridge. You start your day with this. You're not just eating, you're investing in your health. 2. Eggs, nature's multivitamin in a shell. Crack an egg, crack open greatness. No, seriously. One egg has just 75 calories but gives you high-quality protein, healthy fats, vitamin D, B12, and a nutrient most people barely get enough of, choline, super important for your brain. Here's what makes eggs a game changer. They keep you full for hours. They help control blood sugar. They power your brain like a champ. And they're so easy to make. Scramble them with veggies, boil a few for the week, or try my favorite avocado toast with a poached egg on top. Chef's kiss. You want to eat smart in the morning? Eggs are your MVP. 3. Whole wheat bread, the carb that loves you back. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Bread? Healthy? Yep, but not just any bread. Whole wheat bread, the kind that still has all the good stuff nature packed in. It's full of fiber, digestion, B vitamins for energy, and minerals like iron and magnesium that keep your body running smoothly. But here's the magic. Whole wheat bread gives you slow-burning energy. No sugar crash, no hangry vibes. Try it with nut butter and banana, or make French toast with whole wheat slices and top with berries. You'll never go back to white bread again, trust me. Want steady energy till lunch? This is the way. 4. Fruits, nature's candy, but way smarter. Fruit for breakfast? Game changer. It's sweet, it's juicy, and it's absolutely loaded with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. We're talking vitamin C to boost your immune system, potassium to balance your blood pressure, and fiber to keep your gut happy. Plus, fruit gives you a natural energy lift without the caffeine crash. Try this. A smoothie with banana, berries, and a splash of almond milk. Or slice apples into your oatmeal. Or just grab an orange on your way out the door. Whatever you do, get that color on your plate. Your body and your taste buds will love you for it. 5. Yogurt, the gut-healing morning staple. Yogurt isn't just a convenient breakfast. It's a gut health powerhouse. The probiotics in yogurt feed the good bacteria in your belly, which affects everything from digestion to immune function to even your mood. Plus, it's high in calcium, protein, and B vitamins. So yeah, it's kind of a big deal. My go-to? Greek yogurt with berries and a drizzle of honey, or mix it into a smoothie, or layer it into a parfait with granola and nuts. And here's the key, get the plain kind. Avoid the sugary stuff and sweeten it naturally with fruit or cinnamon. Your gut will thank you, and so will your future self. All right, you made it this far, which means you're serious about leveling up your health. But don't just watch this and forget it. Tomorrow morning, I challenge you. Pick one of these power foods and make it part of your breakfast. Just one. That's how real change starts. Drop a comment and let me know which one you're going to try. Have a go-to healthy breakfast? Share it with the community, we're all learning together here. Just smash that like button if you learned something new. Hit subscribe so you don't miss our next health breakdown. And hey, if someone you love needs to start eating better, share this video with them. Let's help each other out. See you in the next one. And don't skip breakfast, Twad.